20 common hair mistakes you must avoid for healthy, strong hair. Welcome back to the channel. Let's get started. From washing your hair with hot water to overusing heat styling tools, there are many things we do that unknowingly harm our hair. In today's video, we'll uncover 20 common hair mistakes that you should avoid at all costs. Number 1. Washing hair with hot water. Hot showers feel amazing, but using steaming hot water on your hair can strip away natural oils, leaving it dry, frizzy, and prone to breakage. Instead, wash with lukewarm water to cleanse effectively without damaging your scalp or strands. Finish with a cool rinse to lock in shine and strengthen your hair cuticles. Number 2. Overwashing your hair. Washing your hair every day might sound hygienic, but it actually strips away natural oils that protect and nourish your scalp. This leads to dryness, itchy, and even more oil production as your scalp tries to compensate. Stick to washing 2 to 3 times a week depending on your hair type for healthier results. 3. Using the wrong shampoo. Not all shampoos are created equal. Using a product that doesn't suit your hair type can lead to scalp irritation, excess oil, or dryness. For example, fine hair needs lightweight formulas, while curly hair benefits from moisturizing ones. Always read labels and choose a shampoo designed specifically for your needs. Number 4. Skipping conditioner. Skipping conditioner to save time is a big mistake. Conditioner helps lock in moisture, smooth cuticles, and reduce tangling. Without it, hair becomes dry, frizzy, and more prone to breakage. Apply conditioner mainly on the mid-lengths and ends, not the scalp, to maintain balance and keep your hair soft and manageable. Number 5. Rough towel drying. Vigorously rubbing your hair with a towel creates friction that weakens strands and leads to split ends. Instead, gently pat your hair dry or use a microfiber towel to absorb moisture without causing damage. This simple switch reduces frizz, prevents breakage, and helps keep your hair stronger and healthier. Number 6. Brushing wet hair the wrong way. Hair is most fragile when wet, so brushing aggressively can cause major breakage. Always detangle gently with a wide-tooth comb, starting from the ends and working upward. This method prevents pulling and snapping. You'll not only save your strands, but also reduce unnecessary stress on your scalp and follicles. Number 7. Using too much heat styling. Daily blow drying, curling, or straightening might make your hair look sleek, but it causes long-term damage. Excessive heat weakens the hair shaft, leading to dryness, frizz, and split ends. Always use a heat protectant spray and try to limit styling tools to a few times per week to protect your hair. Number 8. Skipping heat protectant. Using hot tools without a heat protectant is like sunbathing without sunscreen. Heat protectants form a protective barrier, minimizing damage from high temperatures. Just a few sprays before styling can make a huge difference in keeping your hair smooth, shiny, and much less prone to long-term heat damage. Number 9. Tying hair too tightly. Constantly pulling your hair into tight ponytails, buns, or braids puts stress on your scalp and weakens roots. Over time, this can lead to thinning edges and even hair loss. Opt for looser hairstyles and use fabric or silk scrunchies instead of tight elastics to give your hair a break. Number 10. Sleeping on cotton pillowcases. Cotton pillowcases absorb natural oils and create friction, which leads to frizz and breakage. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase reduces friction, helps retain moisture, and keeps your hair smooth while you sleep. It's a small investment that can make a huge difference in your hair's overall health. Number 11. Ignoring scalp health. Healthy hair starts at the scalp. If you're only focusing on your ends and ignoring your scalp, you're missing out. Build a routine that includes gentle exfoliation, massage, and nourishing oils to stimulate blood flow and remove buildup. A healthy scalp environment ensures stronger, healthier hair growth over time. Number 12. Using too many products. Less is more when it comes to hair care. Using too many product serums, sprays, gels, oils can weigh hair down, clog follicles, and make it look greasy. Stick to the essentials that truly benefit your hair type. Simplicity often leads to better results in a healthier scalp environment. Number 13. Neglecting regular trims. Skipping trims to grow long hair actually backfires. Split ends travel up the hair shaft, causing more breakage and thinning. A trim every 8 to 12 weeks keeps ends healthy and maintains overall strength. Don't think of trims as losing length, think of them as protecting your progress for long, beautiful hair. Number 14. Overusing dry shampoo. Dry shampoo is convenient, but relying on it too often clogs hair follicles and causes scalp irritation. It's not a replacement for washing your hair. Limit its use to emergencies, and make sure to wash your hair properly afterward to keep your scalp balanced and your hair healthy. Number 15. Chemical overload dyes and treatments. Frequent coloring, bleaching, and chemical treatments strip hair of natural proteins, leaving it weak and brittle. If you dye your hair, space out appointments. Use bond-building treatments, and nourish your strands with hydrating masks. Balance's Cure hair can still look stylish without sacrificing its long-term health. Number 16. Skipping deep conditioning. Weekly deep conditioning treatments are essential for repairing damage and keeping your hair hydrated. Skipping them leads to dryness and breakage, especially if you use heat or chemical treatments. Take 15 minutes once a week to let a nourishing mask soak in your hair. We'll thank you with strength and shine. Number 17. Ignoring diet and hydration. What you eat shows up in your hair. Lack of protein, vitamins, and hydration leads to weak, dull hair. Incorporate foods rich in biotin, omega-3 south, and iron, and drink plenty of water. Hair health is more than just what you put on the outside. It starts inside your body. Number 18. Brushing too often. Brushing your hair hundreds of times a day doesn't make it shinier. In fact, it causes unnecessary breakage and stress on the scalp. Brush just enough to detangle and style. Overbrushing can strip away protective oils and weaken strands. Gentle, mindful brushing is the best approach for healthy hair. Number 19. Not protecting hair from the sun. Just like skin, your hair can be damaged by UV rays. Prolonged sun exposure causes dryness, color fading, and brittle strands. Protect your hair with hats, scarves, or UV protective sprays when spending time outdoors. This simple step helps maintain strength, shine, and vibrant color all year round. Number 20. Ignoring stress and sleep. Stress and poor sleep directly affect your hair, leading to shedding and slower growth. High-stress hormones weaken hair follicles. Prioritize stress management through relaxation, exercise, and proper rest. Your hair, along with your overall health, will thrive when your body is balanced and well rested. In the link below, you will find a supplement that will help